Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to download the latest ISO or the latest version of the Windows 10, that is Windows 10 2020 update. Just go to Google Chrome or any browser and search for Windows 10 ISO file, and over there just go to the download in www.microsoft.com software download, and you will see the Microsoft official site load. Here it says to download the tool, but we don't download the tool, we download directly the file, installation file. For it, just go to here and enable the developer mode, or you can just right click and click over here, inspect, choose here the mobile or the this is the desktop mode and this is the mobile version. When you select the mobile version, you can see a little, it looks like your mobile. Then refresh the page. Okay, now cancel it. Now come down, you can see here select edition. This is only in mobile version. Here we can see Windows 10 October 2020 update. Select here, confirm. Then we have to choose our region and language. I will choose English International, or you can choose according to your confirm. Now we have to select either 32-bit or 64-bit. I will select 64-bit. Okay, now our download is started here. It is almost 5.8 GB and takes as much time according to your network speed. I will copy here, copy the download link and download it through IDM. Paste here, start download. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share and comments.